This video showcases the practical demonstration of setting up and packing away the Tesla Cybertruck Cybertent, a specialized tent designed for the Cybertruck's bed, in under 5 minutes and 3 minutes respectively, highlighting its ease of use and efficiency. The Cybertent features an ultralight, geodesic airframe design that can be inflated without structural poles, using a manual pump, and includes a tactical grey kaleidoscope patterned nylon interior for protection against elements, with screen windows for ventilation. This setup is part of a broader trend of integrating advanced camping gear with electric vehicles, reflecting a growing interest in overlanding and outdoor adventures. Supported by accessories like the Mars Adventure Gear Roof Rack and Air Cruiser RTT, has seen another enthusiast forums, indicating niche but expanding market for such innovations.